Hello everyone, hope you are enjoying our videos. I am Mayank Khatri, welcome you back to our channel. Today the video is about the training, whether to be done from India or abroad. Let's discuss the scope of pilot training. Pilot training is a specialized program that prepares individual to become licensed pilot capable of flying various types of aircraft. Both pilot training in India or abroad offer unique advantage and consideration that aspiring pilots should carefully evaluate. Starting with the advantage of pilot training in India. Cost effective. Training in India can be more affordable compared to many Western countries, making it an attractive option for those who is seeking quality education at a lower cost. Diverse weather conditions. In India, diverse weather climate allows trainee pilot to experience a wide range of weather conditions during their training, which can better prepare them for the real world scenario. Also, training in your home country helps you to understand the local culture, aviation regulation and operational practices, which can ease the transition into an aviation career. Ease of communication. Studying in your native language can simplify your communication with instructors, staff and fellow students, enhancing the learning experience. Disadvantages of pilot training in India. Infrastructure and the facilities. While improving, some pilot training institutes in India may have limited access to the state-of-art training facilities, advanced simulator and modern aircraft. Regulatory challenges. Navigating through the regulatory process can be complex and time-consuming in India, which might cause you a delay in obtaining license and approvals. Advantages of pilot training abroad. Global exposure. International training exposes you to the different aviation regulation, flying condition and cultural perspective, broadening your skills and adaptability. Advanced facilities. Many aviation schools abroad are equipped with the latest simulator, aircraft and technologies, providing a cutting edge on training experience. International airline. Some flight school academies abroad have partnership with the international airlines, increasing your chances of getting hired directly after training. Disadvantages of pilot training abroad. Higher cost. Training abroad can be more expensive due to the tuition fees, living expenses and currency exchange rate. However, this investment might yield higher job opportunities in the long run. Cultural adjustment. Moving to the new country for training requires adapting to the different culture, which might pose challenges for some individuals. Language barriers. If training is conducted in a foreign language, language proficiency might be necessary for effective communication. Talking about the future of pilot training. The aviation industry is expected to continue growing, creating a sustained demand for well-trained pilots. The future of pilot training will likely involve the integration of emerging technologies such as more advanced flight simulator, virtual reality training and automation. So, what's the conclusion? Both pilot training in India or abroad have their advantages and disadvantages. Aspiring pilots should consider their personal preference, financial circumstances, and career goals when making the decision. The scope of the pilot training remains promising, with a range of opportunities awaiting those embark on the exciting career pathway. So there we come to the end of our video. For more updates, stay tuned on our channel, like, share and subscribe our videos. Signing off, Captain Mayank Khatri.